In any small town, anywhere, nestled in the rolling hills, a school committed to transforming the way education is delivered. The principal, a progressive thinker, has always believed in the power of vocational skills blended with real-life experiences. He noticed that students, often disinterested in traditional methods, thrived when their learning was tied to practical applications. Recognizing this, Mr. Thompson introduced a new curriculum focused on vocational skills and critical thinking. He gathered his team of passionate educators, bringing together a diverse group including the art teacher known for her creative flair and the science teacher with a penchant for experiments. The first project in the new curriculum was ambitious, the creation of a community garden where students would learn through experience. They were divided into small groups, each responsible for a different aspect of the garden, such as planning, planting, and maintaining. One group, led by Jake, a student known for his quick wit and inquisitive nature, was tasked with designing a water irrigation system that would conserve resources. Jake and his team visited local farms and studied different irrigation techniques. This real-life engagement allowed them to critically analyze and innovate, designing a system that was both efficient and sustainable. Meanwhile, Sarah, a student with a passion for cooking, was part of the team responsible for crop selection. She learned about seasonal vegetables and herbs and how to use them in culinary arts. Her team also planned to host a community cook-off using produce from the garden, bringing real-life skills to the forefront. As these projects progressed, students engaged in critical thinking, solving problems, and making decisions that impacted the outcomes. Their classes were no longer confined to the four walls of a classroom. Learning happened anywhere, at the garden, in the kitchen, at farms. The community garden became a lively hub of activity, a testament to the power of vocational learning interwoven with real-world application.